We are back with a tax time edition of our series On the Money. The deadline to file is just 1 month away now, and we know there are plenty of you who haven't done it yet. No worries. As of March 1st, in fact, the IRS had received about 54 million tax returns, but that's 1/3, to give you some perspective, of the total number from last year. So we have CNBC senior personal finance correspondent Sharon Epperson here to help us prepare. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, so April 15th obviously is the day, but there are some exceptions.
There are some exceptions. If you live in Massachusetts or Maine, there's a state holiday, so you get a couple extra days.
I didn't know that.
And then there are people who live in federally declared disaster areas. They're going to get extra time until June. And also people who have been impacted by the attacks in Israel, the West Bank, and Gaza can get extra time as well. So check on irs.gov to see if where you are, you may be able to get an extension.
Okay, let's talk about what's new this season.
Yep. Direct file is what everyone needs to know about, particularly those in 12 states. It is a free way to file your taxes, and a very simple way. If you have W-2 income and you want to declare the standard deduction, go to directfile.irs.gov to see if you qualify.
Is there a limit financially? Or
no, if you live in California, New York, 12 states.
Okay.
You can do that. If you make $79,000 or less, there's another way you can go directly to the IRS website and file for free. It is called IRS Free File. And going there, and you'll be able to link up with a tax preparer, online tax preparer, give you some tax prep and help you fill out that return for free. You might actually be able to do your state return as well.
Okay.
And if you have any income limit, you can still do it for free. Again, on the IRS website, use their fillable forms, and you haven't paid anything. So the bottom line is you don't have to pay for a tax preparer this season. Look at the different ways that you can file for free.
What about this home improvement credit?
So if you did anything to your house, an energy efficient improvement, new windows, new doors, insulation, you may be eligible for up to a $3,200 tax credit. So that's something new this year that people should be aware of.
Okay.
And also the earned income tax credit. It's been around for a long time. It's higher than it was last year, but 1 in 5 people don't know who qualify, don't do it. So if you're a lower income family of 3, you could get a tax credit of up to $7,400.
$7,400?
$7,400. So the average last year was $2,500. Again, if you think you might qualify, check it out, because you don't want to leave $2,500
money on the table. Exactly.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Sharon, what are some of the potential ways we could maybe lower our taxes?
We just talked about tax credits, and I think it's really important for people to understand when you look at credits versus deductions, the credit is the one that's going to lower the amount that you owe dollar for dollar. So you want to look for every tax credit you can, whether that's the earned income tax credit, child tax credit, any tax credit. The other thing that's really important to do is look at how you can save by investing. And one of them is the health savings account. If you have a high deductible health plan, you can do a health savings account. IRAs, if you don't have a workplace plan, that's a good way to also lower your tax bill, put money into an IRA. You can do both of these until April 15th. And then for some people who are lower income, they put money in an IRA, they may have contributed a little bit to their workplace plan, they may be able to save even more, get a credit for what their savings called the Savers Credit. So it's something else to check out.
That's great. All right.
Yeah.
Sharon, for folks who know that they are going to have to pay Uncle Sam, what should those folks be doing?
You know, you need to do your tax return as soon as possible. Don't wait because I owe this money, I don't have this money, I'll wait till April 15th or after. If you wait until after, you're going to get charged penalties and interest. And so you don't want to file late. That's 5% of the balance per month. Yeah. And you don't want to pay late because that's 0.5%. And that's interest on top of that. A lot of money. So make sure you pay on irs.gov to electronically to make sure that there's not as much idea of theft.
Yeah.
And also make sure that you arrange a payment plan. The bottom line is they'll work with you.
Sure.
They just want your money.
They just, right, of course.
But they'll work with you to get it.
So, lastly here, you hear about folks getting audited from time to time.
Yeah.
No one wants to be audited. What's the likelihood of that happening to an average taxpayer?
It's a very, very, very small percentage. Something like 4 out of every 100,000 tax returns, are audited. But still, you want to do some things that are important so that you don't raise a red flag like missing income. You get a 1099 form because you did some freelance work, but you forgot to report that. The IRS knows about it, so you need to make sure you report that. Also, don't just make a round number for the amount of expenses you have. Try to make sure that don't make it up, and don't round it up. And then also, if it seems unreasonable, if you're claiming a credit that it doesn't seem like you really would qualify for, it could raise a red flag. But the way that you make sure you get everything you need to get in terms of credit and deductions is to have the documentation. Keep your documentation. And if you're working with a tax preparer, you got to make sure you give them the documentation. It's still on you.
How long do you have to keep the documentation?
You should generally keep it about 7 years, but just make sure that you have it at least for that tax season till the yes.
All right, Sharon, thank you.
Sure. Have a good weekend.
And as always, just head to today.com for more on getting those taxes filed.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.